Senator Will Nichols.
I'm Governor Colin Heffling.
The first topic of the presidential debate will be solar power. How does solar power produce electricity and how does it work?
Solar panels create electricity by putting them into silicon cells using the photon lights in the rays.
Solar energy is renewable and it saves a lot of money in the long run.
What are the pros and cons of solar energy?
Solar power is renewable, abundant, sustainable, environmentally friendly.
Whoa. Who cares about if it's environmentally friendly? Because we're not going to be long so around, the Earth's not going to change that much, and it's so expensive to put it in, it does not affect us, and us Americans today, right now.
Yeah, but see, you're just going to save the world with how much we're burning gas just for electricity.
It doesn't matter.
No. The sun is producing free energy. All we have to do is build these little panels.
That costs an extremely amount of money to build.
We will save money in the long run. I'm telling you, we will save money in the long run.
But the American people do not have the money at this time point to do that.
The solar panels are improving, and the price will be going down.
Now, how expensive would these solar panels be?
A solar panel is worth $515, but then again, it will save money in the long run.
How will it save money in the long run if it costs that much to begin just for one panel? One panel is not going to save enough energy.
Yeah, but you don't need nothing big to help charge it. It holds 600 volts alone.
Yeah, but an average family, that's not going to be enough electricity for just one panel. Plus, the battery to store it costs an extra amount of money, and it costs money to store that. It costs money.
It's holding 600 volts though.
Yeah, it costs money to store that. So every time you got a little bit more.
No, it holds it in the panel.
What if it's a not sunny day and the storage runs low, and then the clouds come and you can run out of energy, or a snowstorm comes and the snow covers the solar panel?
You can go and brush your panels off in the snowstorm. In snow, what happens? Light gets reflected. That's why people wear sunglasses and drive. It would reflect. It would make more light, creating more energy to use around your house.
But also, to build the solar powers, you need rare materials to build that. Rare.
What are the impacts of using and making solar powers on the environment?
Solar panels take up a lot of space and take away from the environmental spot, and it costs 70 cents per watt to produce the solar electricity.
Has there been any recent debates over solar power?
Recently, there was a debate going on whether there should be solar power use in cities.
Now on to natural gas and how does it produce electricity?
Fossil fuels are put into a boiler and it creates steam that goes up to a turbine, and the turbine spins, creating electricity just like wind turbines.
What are some benefits and downfalls of using natural gas?
Natural gas can be used to make automotive fuel, and it burns cleaner than gasoline and diesel. There's no waste left over, so there shouldn't be any problem.
Yeah, but it's not renewable. In millions of years, it's all going to run out. And it's dangerous. It's so flammable.
It's lighter than air, safer than propane, which is heavier than air. We have 1.8 trillion barrels.
It's eventually going to run out. It's not renewable.
1.8 trillion! That's like the same as much money as we owe China. It's like that. And it can also be made to make plastic, chemicals, fertilizer, and hydrogen.
Yeah, if you make fertilizer, it rains. The fertilizer of the chemicals goes to the water. The plants, the cows eat the water. The cows drink the water. We eat the cows. Therefore, we get poisoned. When I become president, I will not have natural gas.
What are the environmental impacts of natural gas?
Fracking is a method of drilling natural gases. It also often uses dangerous chemicals are mixed in large quantities of water and other base fluids with sand, and it is injected into a well at high pressures. Using advanced fracking methods poses threats to water, air, land, and the health of communities.
What is the cost of natural gas?
Natural gas is $1.79 for a 1.06 joule of it.
How long will natural gas last?
There's about 2,276 cubic feet of dry natural gas, which will last about closely to roughly 84 years, I'd guess.
What were the latest debates on natural gas?
This debate was about natural gas and if it would last our next generation a lifetime.